Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a logo with AI. Firstly, we're going to use Microsoft Designer. Just go to designer.microsoft.com/image creator, sign in with your Microsoft account, and click Join and Create to launch the tool. Type a detailed description of the logo you want. Be specific with style, type, colors, industry or theme. Once the generator returns multiple options when you type the prompt, pick the one that best fits your brand vibe. If nothing looks right, tweak the prompt and try again. AI-generated logos often need light editing, especially for text. Here's how to polish them. Option 1 is Photoshop or Photopea. Remove the unwanted text or gibberish. Add your brand name manually and adjust colors, alignment, or icons. Or also you can do that on Canva. Final tips: use AI for ideas, then refine the final product manually. Always check copyrights before using AI logos commercially, and export high-resolution and transparent background if available. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.